Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're going to cackle one of the most powerful and maybe one of the most misunderstood tools in business, the balance sheet. And in just the next few minutes, you'll see how it can give you a crystal clear picture of a company's financial health. So here's the big question, right? How can you possibly know if a company is strong or struggling just by looking at it? How can you get that complete picture quickly? Well, luckily for us, there's one single document designed to do exactly that. And that document is the balance sheet. Now, the most important word to remember here is snapshot. A balance sheet is not a movie showing how a company did over a whole year. Nope, it's a single photograph capturing the company's exact financial situation on one specific day. When you really break it down, a balance sheet is just answering three super simple questions. First, what does the business own? We call those its assets. Second, what does the business owe to other people? Those are its liabilities. And finally, after all the bills are paid, what's actually left over for the owners? That's the equity. And this is the golden rule. It's the core equation that makes the whole thing work. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. Think about it. Everything a company owns had to be paid for somehow, right? It was either paid for with borrowed money, that's the liabilities, or with the owner's own money, that's the equity. This isn't just a guideline, it's a law. The two sides have to balance, always. Okay, that's the theory, but let's make this real. Let's see how this all plays out with a business that we all get, a local coffee shop. All right, check this out. On the left side, you've got the assets, basically all the stuff the coffee shop owns that has value. You can see the cash in the bank, the expensive espresso machine, the bags of coffee beans, and even money that a catering client still owes them. Now, on the right side, we see how they paid for all that stuff. There are liabilities, like a loan from the bank and the bill for those coffee beans, and whatever's left over, that's the owner's piece of the pie, their equity. And look at that! See how it all adds up? The $50,000 in assets on one side perfectly matches the liabilities and equity on the other. It balances. This is exactly what you want to see. It means everything is accounted for and the business's books are in good shape. Okay, so we get how it works now, right? It balances. But so what? Why is it so important to get a handle on this one document? What's the big deal for an owner, or maybe for you as an investor? Well, it's pretty simple. It's all about making smarter decisions. By looking at this one document, you can get a really good read on a company's overall financial health. You can check if it has enough cash to pay its bills next month. That's called liquidity. You can see how much debt it's carrying. And for investors and lenders, this information is absolutely non-negotiable. So just to recap, the whole story of a balance sheet is always told in these three parts. It starts with assets, the company's resources. Then it moves to liabilities, its obligations, and it wraps up with equity, the value that ultimately belongs to the owners. And just to add one quick layer here, you'll often see assets and liabilities split into two groups, current and non-current. All current means is short-term, stuff that'll be used or paid off within a year, and non-current is just the long-term stuff, like a building or a 5-year loan. It's a simple split, but it really helps you understand a company's immediate situation versus its long-term foundation. So what's the ultimate takeaway from all this? The balance sheet isn't just some boring accounting requirement. No way. It's a strategic tool. It provides the solid foundation you need for smart planning, for real growth, and for long-term stability. If you understand this one document, you're speaking a core language of business, and that is a real game changer.
Enroll in the accounting playbook and learn accounting the clear, practical way.